Hey there. Okay, so I'm not seeing a logo, so I'm assuming you're having trouble using a Boolean operation on the font itself. In which case, I do see a good reason why. If this is not the case, just let me know. But anyway, let's go through this real fast. I'm going to center this just a hair. Okay, so Boolean operations only work on one mesh to another mesh. I can tell if this is a mesh because of this little symbol here. All these other objects are fonts. That can be confusing. Um, but basically, this is an object that I can hit tab and add all kinds of nonsense to. This is not actually real geometry right now. So the way to do that, if we go to right click and say convert to and mesh. And so now this is, we're seeing this little object on the 8. We're seeing it here on the 20 to let us know this is mesh. So we can now use it for all kinds of stuff. So if I now hit tab on it and I hit 1, I can see all these different vertices. I can see, if I hit 2, I can see all the different lines. If I hit 3, it's giving me all the different faces of this mesh object now. So if I go into, excuse me, let me grab the die. If I go into Boolean, I can now grab this and grab an object and apply this by going over here and hitting Control A. And now your model has your numbers cut into it. So basically the last thing you'll need to do once you get all your font objects in a happy place, I'm hitting Control Z a bunch of times, is to convert them all to meshes before you try your Boolean operation. Again, if you have any other issues that aren't obvious in the way that this was sent, that I missed, just let me know and I'll make another video like this. Hope this helps a lot. Have a good luck and hope you have some fun with this. I like your font.